Hi, James here from the Excire team, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use a brand new feature available in Excire Foto 2027, Intelligent Text Search. Now this feature uses cutting-edge optical character recognition to make any text in a photo searchable, which means that intelligent text search is useful in a wide variety of scenarios. You can use it to find photos that contain particular street signs, or to locate photos with specific athlete jersey numbers, or to find photos that include race cars with specific text on the side. And you can also use it to find photos of products with text labels, of buildings, and even stores with the names written on the exterior. And you can also use this intelligent text search in conjunction with Excire's other prompt search capabilities to cast a wider net when searching. Let's take a look. Now, if you've ever used Exire's Find by Text prompt tool, which I often refer to as prompt search, then using this new feature to find text in photos will be extremely easy. And if you're new to Exire's tools, don't worry, it's all very intuitive. To search for text in photos, you'll start by accessing this Find by Text prompt tool in the upper right-hand corner here. And with prompt search, you just type what you're looking for into the search field and Excire retrieves the corresponding images. But while you could previously only search with prompts that described the image, you now have two options, which you'll see down here under the Search For heading. If you don't see it initially, it could be because it's collapsed here. So you can just go to Search Settings and open it up. Now, you can search based on a description of what appears in the photo you're looking for. This is photo content. Or you can search based on the text that appears in the photo you're looking for. This is text in photos. Note that you toggle the two options on and off by clicking on the corresponding checkboxes here. And also note that you can actually search for both content and text together using a single prompt if you check both the boxes. Anyway, I've created another tutorial dedicated to searching for photo content, and I'll link to that in the description below. But in this tutorial, I want to focus on the new intelligent text search feature here, where you search for text in photos. So running a text search is simple. Just make sure this text in photos is selected. Then you'll come up here and type what you're looking for into the search bar. So if I want to find photos that contain the text London, I'll just go ahead and I'll type that in. And I can give Excire a maximum number of results to display down here if I want. But since I don't have too many photos containing the text London, I'm not really concerned about setting a maximum. I can also tell Excire, by the way, where to search. Do I want to look in the current view, the whole database, or specific folders and collections? But here I'm just going to keep whole database. I'll go ahead, hit start search. And here are the results. So here you can see that Excire actually noticed the word London in the background here. If I hit the space bar, then this yellow highlight disappears. And then when I let go, it reappears. And that can be a good way to find all of this little text just to see where actually is the text within the photo. Then in this image, Excire noticed this person in the front has a t-shirt. And it has the word London on it. And then finally, look at this one. Amidst all this text, Excire noticed the book in the front here. It says London on it. So as you can see, intelligent text search is pretty powerful. It's not perfect, of course, but it does a great job of finding photos with the text you searched, even when that text is quite small. So let me bring up prompt search again. I'll just click here. And this time I want to search for the number 79 because there's a team photo of some sports players. I know it's in this catalog somewhere, and one of them is wearing a jersey that says 79. So let's see what Excire has pulled up here. We have a number of different photos that are showing up. Here we've got 79 on a license plate. Let's take a look at a few others. Here, this little boat has 79 right there, and it's kind of faded. So Excire has done a pretty good job pulling that out. And then right here, we have this image with the sports player with 79 on their jersey. Now let me do an intelligent text search again, but this time I'm going to look for photos that contain the word Pepsi, since I know there's a car somewhere in this catalog that I think was sponsored by Pepsi. So I'll go ahead. We're going to search the whole database. Let's see if Excire can find the photo. We've got a car photo, and yes, this is it. Briefly, I do also want to mention a couple more items. First, as I noted at the start of this tutorial, you can use this intelligent text recognition feature along with Excire's other search tools. So if I search for the word lion, I only get one image here. Let's go ahead and click on it. And Excire noticed the word lion here for this Lion King advertisement in a New York City image because there's this poster advertising it. But what if I want to find other images of Times Square and similar looking major city districts? Well, then I can just go ahead and run the similarity search, find similar photos, search based on content, and I'll hit start search. And then I get all these other images from the catalog that look similar to that first one. Briefly, I also want to draw your attention to this bar up here because this is one other area where you can use this text and photos tool to get particular results and sift through your catalog in Excire. You just choose from the drop-down menu here, text and photos. And to use this, you're typing in prompts just as you are with the Find by Text prompt tool. But instead of searching for images that you're after, Excire is applying a filter over the set of images that you're viewing. It's an active and temporary filter. And you can apply that based on the text that appears in the photos. And so when you type, say, lion into the text field, that was my original prompt, and I hit enter. Excire has filtered this view so that only the image that contains the word lion appears. I have a whole video dedicated to filtering in Excire Foto 2027, so I'm not going to show tons of examples right here, but I wanted to mention it so you're aware it exists. So intelligent text search is another amazing way to find photos hidden deep in your Excire catalog. You can use it when looking for travel photos with street signs, or for buildings with names, or athletes' cars, or motorcycle text. So I really encourage you to try this tool out. It won't work in every scenario, but when images have words or numbers, it does an amazing job of picking them out. If you found this video helpful, click that like button. And for more tips and tutorials on Excire's AI-powered photo management tools, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching.